Everyone, today we're going to be going through factorials, which is quite a simple concept but leads us into combinatorics, which will be the next video. So I'm going to start explaining factorials just using a little example, and I'm going to say Mr. Brickliffe, Mr. Peterson and Miss Noonan are all running a race, and we're going to try and figure out who comes first, second and third. Okay, so there's a couple of options. Mr. Brickliffe could win, Mr. Peterson could come second, and Miss Noonan could come third. Mr. Brickliffe could come first, Noonan second, Peterson third. Mr. Peterson could win, Brickliffe second, Noonan third. Noons could win, Peterson, Brickliffe, Noons, Brickliffe, Peterson. Okay, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different possible outcomes. Okay, now that's okay to do when there's 3. If there's 6 or 7 or 20, you can see the problems we run into. And another way that we can calculate things like this is actually there's 3 competitors, I guess. 3 times 2 times 1 will give us 6. Same as if we had 4 competitors and 4 places that we wanted to figure out, we could go 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, which would give us 24. I hate my new stylus. Okay, so these are factorials. They're written like 3 exclamation mark is the same as 3 times 2 times 1, which is the same as 6. Okay, or 4 exclamation mark is 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Okay, so factorials in themselves are pretty simple, but they're going to help us out with the next unit. Okay, so all we're doing in this one is getting used to using them. One of the big skills that you have to be able to do in this course with factorials is to simplify. Now this top one here, you might be tempted to work out what 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 is, and then divide it by 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. We can figure that out. 20 times 3 is 60, times 2 is 120, over, what did we say that was, 24? Okay, and then divide down. That's a way of doing it. But part of this course is that you need to be able to simplify. So how you would simplify one of these is you would go 5 times 4 factorial of 4, because you remember 4 is just 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, so it's just like we did it before, except now these two cancel out. Okay, it's especially handy in one of these bigger ones like this, where without a calculator working out the factorial of 100 would be horrible. We can actually go 100 times 99 times 98 factorial over 98. These ones cancel out, and 100 times 99 is our answer. Okay, so simplifying down like that is quite simple to do, but it is a part of this course and it is a skill that you'll need to be able to do, as you can see from your assignment. So have a go at those exercises. It's a pretty short theory video and it's a pretty short exercise as well.